Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to present my paper in International Conference on Cognitive and Intelligent Computing 2021, ICC 21. My paper is a survey for the early detection and classification of the maritime skin cancer using the various techniques. The main agenda of the presentation is abstract part, introduction, literature review, performance comparison, conclusion, and the reference. We can go to the abstract part of the paper. The unrepaired DNA is a skin cell. In the skin cell causes skin cancer disease, which leads to mutation or genetic defects in the skin. This disease will be widely spread in other parts of the body, which can be cured in the initial stages. So, the early deterrence of this disease is a valid factor. The skin cancer has increased the mortality rate and the treatment is highly expensive. So, the researchers have undergone several techniques for skin lesion detection based upon the parameters of skin such as symmetry, color, size, shape, etc. These parameters are useful for distinguishing non-melanoma cancer from the melanoma cancer. This paper gives a detailed study of the early detection of the skin cancer with the aid of the image processing, machine learning, and the deep learning techniques. Let us go to the introduction part. Skin cancer detection from a lesion image is one of the most crucial tasks which, when detected early, can be cured or else which leads to the death. Major types of the skin cancer are basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, and the malignant melanoma. Of these, the most dangerous one is the melanoma, which have raised the mortality. The main cause of the skin cancer is UV radiation. The skin cancer are classified in, see the figure, the skin cancer is classified into melanoma and non-melanoma. Non-melanoma skin cancer is of two types, basal cell carcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma. Second figure gives reasons for the way skin cancer occurs. So from the UV radiation and all, skin tones, environmental chemicals, all these things will cause us the skin cancer. Next is the classification of skin cancer. Basal cell carcinoma, which occurs in the neck or the face part, appears as a purely a wormy bump, a flat flesh-colored or a brown scar. It's a benign. Then the squamous cell carcinoma. It occurs in the face, occurs mainly in the dark people, a firm red nodule, which is affected to the area where it is exposed to the sun. Then melanoma, which is developed in any part of the body, the mole with a large brownish spot, a small lesion with an irregular border, and a portion that appears red, pink, white, blue, or a blue-black color. Dark lesion on the palm, soles, fingertips or toes, or on mucous membranes lining your mouth, nose, vagina, or anus. Then we can go through the review of the papers, literatures. First paper, that is a DEAN inspired skin cancer detection approach using the fuzzy C-means clustering. Here they have used different methods or algorithms for the classification purpose. They have used fuzzy C-means clustering, RG color space, and local binary pattern, GLCM, differential evaluation artificial neural network, that is DEAN. They have used the parameters accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity for the comparison purpose, and the conclusion part they have got 97.4% accuracy while using these algorithms. Second paper, skin cancer detection and classification using convolutional neural network, used a CNN algorithm, used a recall precision and F-score parameters, and they have occurred these values. Recall is 84%, precision is 83.25, and FI score is 83.25. Then the skin lesion, next paper, the third paper is skin lesion classification into 8 classes for the ISIC 2019 using deep convolutional neural network and transfer learning. Here Google Net Bootstrap SVM. Then accuracy, they are going to evaluate accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, and precision, and have got these values. Next paper is skin cancer detection and classification using machine learning. They have used the algorithms Gaussian filter, medium filter, K-means clustering, ABCD, MSVM algorithms are used here. They have calculated or compared the accuracy based upon different papers, and they have got their this system has produced an accuracy of about 96.25%. And next paper, the optimization of the convolutional neural network for the automatic detection of skin cancer. Here the author used CNN BP algorithm, the Weyl optimization algorithm, and ReLU functions. They have evaluated sensitivity, specificity, PPV, NPV, and accuracy, and have occurred these results. The feature extraction should be extended to get more features so as to achieve more accuracy to improve the efficiency of the system. Next, we can go to the next paper, descriptive feature learning for the skin disease classification using the deep convolutional neural network. Here they have used CNN with the ResNet 152 and Inception ResNet V2 using the triplet loss function. Here sensitivity, specificity, and accuracy is evaluated. They have got these results. Accuracy of about 87.2% is obtained here. Next, an enhanced and automatic skin cancer detection using K-mean and PSO techniques. Here they have used the algorithms K-mean, PSO optimization algorithm, and the speed up robust features are used here. SURF method and AN methods are used. They have evaluated TPR, FPR, precision, accuracy, etc. Accuracy rate obtained is 98.7%. Then the next paper, the classification model for the skin tumor detection using texture analysis in the medical images. They have used GLCM and different classifier methods, evaluated the accuracy of the system, and they have chosen the best classifier from the result. Then next paper is a new approach for the classification of the skin lesion based on the transfer learning, deep learning, and IoT systems. They have used the algorithm CNN based support vector machine, random forest, perceptron multilayer, and care nearest neighbors algorithms are used. They have evaluated the accuracy part, and they got an accuracy of about 96.805%. You can go to the next paper, the region of the interest-based transfer learning assisted framework for the skin cancer lesion detection. That is K-means, CNN, AlexNet, and transfer learning mechanism is used. Here accuracy is evaluated and accuracy of about 97.5% is obtained. In next paper, they have used LIN and LFN, that is these CNN methods are used. Here Jacquard index is evaluated and have obtained 75.3% and 91.2% for LIN, JA, and AAUE. Then the next paper is skin cancer classification using deep learning and transfer learning. Here deep learning network, transfer learning, and softmax algorithms are used. Accuracy is evaluated and obtained 98.6%. Accuracy has been obtained. Then we can go to the results designs which are explained in some of the papers. Here the input image is given to a convolutional neural network. In neural network, they have undergone several convolution processes. In the last layer, it is fully connected layer, and the extracted images are passed to the fully connected layer, and it undergoes a classification purpose, which is done by the softmax classifier, and it classifies the cancerous images into 3 types: benign, suspicious, and non-melanoma skin cancers. Different materials and methods used for the skin cancer detection and classification. Here the input laser images are given for the feature extraction process. This is done with the help of CNN V3 inception layers. After the feature extraction, it undergoes a classification purpose. It is done with the help of a transfer learning mechanism. This is explained in some of the papers. Then different feature extraction methods that has been obtained from different papers are ABCD, CNN, LBB, SURF, and GLCM. Next, the feature extraction algorithms, their problems and remarks. Whether we can use that feature extraction algorithm or not is given in this slide. ABCD technique, extracted only asymmetry, border, color, and diameter, so the description is not suited for the classification. Next is CNN, extracted more number of all types of features, proceeded with this descriptor. Then LPB, extracted less corner features, only necessary corner features are extracted. Next, SURF, extracted large number of features, not much prescribed. Then GLCM, extracted features of uniform intensity. In the coming slides, it has given the performance comparison. In the in different papers, I have compared the different performances are compared based upon the different classification methods. in this slide, the accuracy of about 97.4% is obtained for DAN fuzzy clustering image segmentation and AMP 10,000 dataset. This much accuracy is obtained for this paper, and the below paper shows a less accuracy results. In this paper, 96.86 and 97.2% accuracy is obtained. So the large accuracy level we has obtained for the first one, DAN and technique. In the conclusion part, we can go to the conclusion part. Several deep learning techniques which researchers included in their work are fully convolutional neural network, transfer learning mechanism, pre-trained model, and ensemble methods for detection of skin cancer. From their work, it has been noted that deep learning techniques do not acquire more complicated and complex techniques for the pre-processing of the image. Datasets they used are PH2 ISB data from the different challenges, Dermis, Dermicus, and HAM 10,000, MetNode, and open access datasets are used by the researchers. And from the literature, the image processing related paper deals with the variant data and human interaction is high. Here, manually tuned parameters are taken for getting the correct result and a better accuracy. The machine learning related works, they have taken different features and have identified the cancer cells, but have shortcoming, and that the features are not properly identified, so the results are not much accurate. So by considering both of these approaches, we can go for a hybrid and ensembling techniques for acquiring a good results. I have listed out the different references. Different references are shown here. Thank you.